to come to that side.
Yeah. Where's that gap? Hang on. Yeah. That rod over right here. I'll take that off.
My glass is right there on the ground.
Got it.
There he is.
Larry, Candy, are you still out there?
Oh, better fish.
Yeah, this is Larry. Go ahead.
You guys catching?
No, not yet.
Okay, well we have 5 in the box. We had a triple and a double, and we're at 32-30.
Oh, that worked for
32-32,
nothing.
I'm sorry.
You love it.
Yeah, okay. Well, that's not all that far. Good job.
Sweet. All right.
It's a little fatter, huh?